Chef Todd Heath. We're at the Peoria Farmers Market, and today we're doing some toast appetizers, a crostini or bruschetta, traditional BLT using beef jerky instead of bacon, and then a caprese salad on top of some toast, and they're really fantastic. All the products graciously donated to me here at the market. I do a little mystery shopping, assemble a little menu, and then hand out samples to show you folks what you can get here at the market and take home for healthy eating into your own home. Got a classic sourdough loaf here that I'm using from Arizona Bread Company. Toasted in the oven for about 25 minutes at 250 degrees. This first series of what we're doing is going to be a BLT, a take on a BLT. This is that olive oil aioli with some fresh parsley and shallots. And in lieu of bacon, in place of bacon this morning, I'm using some beef jerky, just original flavor, plain flavored jerky. And then I'm also using some microgreens with fresh tomato to finish this crostini off. Every culture has their own version of it, I think. And it's really just a glorified toast with lots of fancy fixins on it. But again, really good party favors, really nutritional. Good as a side, good as a main meal, good with a cocktail or a glass of wine perhaps. So I've also got a green chili cheese bread here that I'm going to do a caprese, which is a balsamic reduction, a little garlic oil, some tomato, and fresh basil. Instead of fresh mozzarella, which we don't have here at the market, we do have this beautiful cheese curd. And these would make great party appetizers or a little snack or even a meal if you graze on them long enough. Why don't you try one here? Standing with Medaramels, Lacey and Kathleen. They welcome me to try their caramels every time, and I try them every time, and I still can't decide which is my favorite, although they do a flavor of the month, and I'm a big fan of coconut, and they've got a take on an almond joy that's really ridiculous. And I'm going to stand here and eat one like I've never eaten one before, just because someone needs to try these. I'm guessing this is the sea salt, which is my second favorite. And they're available in a couple different packs. They're a little soft because they're so fresh out here, but you put them in the refrigerator or freezer, and they make an incredible snack. I love them, and my diabetes thanks you for the contribution. You can find me here at the Peoria Farmers Market, just off of the 101 in Northern for the next 3 weeks until it gets so hot that we can't be out here anymore. A lot of the selections that we can get here at the market, you can't even get into the specialty stores like Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. Doesn't carry quite the same selection that we have while products are in season here.